Have you been noticing lately how your body's tightening up for no clear reason? You tell it to relax and it just doesn't? What if I told you this tension is actually your body's protector and it's trying to help you? Here's how hidden contraction might be holding you back and what you can do about it, like really do about it. Stress is everywhere nowadays and it's apt to get even more intense. Your job, your phone, your partners, the news, even your thoughts all tend to be whirling madly, the monkey out of control. And your body, designed to protect you, is listening deeply and giving you information. When you're under threat, real or imagined, your body activates a deeply embedded biological response. Contraction. Muscles tighten, posture shifts, breathing shortens. It's how you're designed. It's part of our evolutionary survival system, a legacy from ancestors who needed really quick bursts of energy to escape predators, do the thing needed doing that usually was very immediate, but it was always followed by long periods of rest and safety, usually in small, close groups. So here's the problem. Modern life has removed most of the second half of that equation. We're stuck in prolonged, low-grade stress. Emails, notifications, demands placed on us, traffic, bills, worry, and we never complete the stress cycle. Stress isn't bad, it just needs to be completed. So our bodies are contracting, but they're never releasing. That's like revving an engine all day without ever putting it into park. So this chronic tension is not just physical. It affects your digestion, it affects your immune system, it affects your sleep, your emotional resilience, your overall sense of well-being, and over time it has to lead to pain, breakdown, fatigue, feeling burnout, and being disconnected both in yourself and with others. Your body's tension's kind of like an overprotective friend. It means well, but it doesn't always know when to let go. So let's break into that loop right now and with a simple awareness and release practice. So simple that it's often overlooked. But I can tell you the clients in my practice that actually do this regularly find it to be amazingly helpful. So right now, seated position, make yourself comfortable or lie down. Let the chair hold you up. Most of us perch all day long. Notice if you're perching, get that chair underneath you. Close your eyes gently. Go on, close them. And bring your awareness internally. So you're taking your attention into intention. Now, with your tongue parked behind your front teeth, there's a reason for that energetically. I'll go over it another time. Slowly inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose if you can. And just notice, where are you holding tension? Do a scan like a wave from the top down. Feel your scalp, your ears, your jaw. Notice your tongue, your throat, your shoulders, your collarbones, your upper back. Feel your solar plexus in your belly, your pelvis, your lower back ribs. Feel your buttocks where you're sitting or standing, your thighs, your calves and knees, your feet. And with that scan, go back to where you noticed one of the places that stood out and bring your attention into that area. Don't force change, just notice. Trust yourself to notice. And on the next few breaths, imagine that part of your body softening like a warm finger on a frozen stick of butter in the sun. Just feel it melt. It isn't about fixing or forcing. It's about allowing. Just like nature, your body wants to flow. It wants to release. Awareness into intention is the first step. And then take a breath into the low back ribs. And again, there's a reason for it to be the low back ribs. It matters. Let it out. Again, another breath, low back ribs, and just let it go. And let your eyes softly open and just notice. It's not a one-off thing. You want to do it once a day, anytime you feel tight, irritable, overwhelmed, many times an hour sometimes. And it only takes a minute. It's like a minute vacation. And your body will thank you more than you think. Tension you can't feel is tension you can't heal. Just noticing it is more than half the work. So as you practice this, you'll start to notice more quickly when you're contracting. You can bring your attention to the forefront before things start to happen. You'll catch yourself bracing in conversations, hunching up if you're feeling anxious, clenching your jaw, chewing your lip when you're focused. And instead of staying stuck, this is a really simple tool to release. And I promise you, if you do it, it actually changes everything. Posture improves. It relieves pain when you do that and supports your long-term movement. Your breath can deepen for a whole bunch of reasons. And this sends a signal to your brain that you are safe. You become more emotionally resilient, less reactive, more compassionate to yourself first and then others. And those relationships improve because when you're not in survival mode, you're able to truly listen, to connect, and to empathize with people. One shift from unconscious contraction to conscious release creates a ripple effect across your entire life. In the food forest outside my clinic, I see it every day how nature responds to stress. Right now, the squash plants under the intense midday sun, the leaves pull in from underneath, they contract and get smaller. Makes a lot of sense, responding to stress. But the moment conditions improve, it opens right back up again. And that's what your body's designed to do too. You do not need to stay shut down. You need to bring awareness to it. You can learn to open, realign, and restore flow. Your body is nature. Nourish it gently. Watch how life blooms when you do this. So this week, practice awareness-based release. Try to do it several times a day. Even set the timer on your phone. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just pause. Let the chair hold you up. Breathe into your low back. Feel and soften. Give me a comment below. Where in your body did you discover hidden tension? And what did it feel like to let it go? And could you let it go? There's reasons why you can't sometimes, and we're going to get into that deeper. This is just the beginning. So subscribe and hit the bell. Ding! And next week we'll explore how aligning with gravity itself can help you feel supported, lighter, and more connected. Let's keep restoring flow together. I just love doing this. Blessings to you.